Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm exactly gonna show you and tell you about why your IGTV is not showing up on Instagram. But before we get into the video, subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for more future videos. So let's head over to the app of Instagram. Now previously you could post a IGTV video by tapping on this plus icon. And here you would have an option of IGTV, but now that has been simply removed from this platform. Now instead of IGTV, Instagram has also brought in short form video content such like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. In Reels of Instagram, you can only post short form content, but if you want to post longer videos on Instagram, you can also do that. If you tap on this plus again, here you can tap on any video that you want and you can simply post longer videos as much as you want. Now the next thing is Instagram is trying to create a new platform, a separate platform of IGTV. If you open up any web browser and search for IGTV, here you can see the official website of Instagram. If you tap open that, and if you scroll down, you can see IGTV will be rolling out globally over the next few weeks on Android and iOS. So over the next few weeks, over the next few months, IGTV will be separately available on both Play Store and the App Store. So if you want to get access to IGTV, you can simply download it. So I hope I was able to make you clear about the idea of IGTV. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more interesting videos related to this. Thank you for watching.